Minister Narendra Modi holds pre-budget consultation with economists in New Delhi. Former MLA and TMC leader George Lingdor likely to return to Congress. MPCC Chief Vincent Pala emphasizes critical need for clear mandate in upcoming MDC elections. Niece of HSP-DP founder late Hoping Stone Lingdor to contest ADC polls from Nongstoin. Shillong wears decorative look as a city all set to celebrate Christmas. Chief Minister, Cabinet Ministers extend warm wishes to the people. Now the news in detail. Former MLA and All India Trinamool Congress leader George Lingdor is likely to return to the Congress. Revealing this today, Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Chief Vincent Pala said that the party has approached him to contest MDC election as Congress candidate and he is taking his supporters into confidence before finalizing his entry into the party. Lingdor, along with several other Congress MLAs, had jumped to Trinamool Congress before 2023 assembly polls. However, he could not win the election. Recently, he also established Umroi Constituency Progressive Forum, UCPF, in preparation for the upcoming MDC elections in 2025.
George and requested him to join the Congress. I think he is taking the confidence of his people today or tomorrow, and hopefully that he will take a positive decisions because I told him if we need good people, then we need good politicians also.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Vincent H. Pala emphasized the critical need for a clear mandate in the upcoming MDC elections to facilitate effective policy decisions. Confident in the Congress Party's prospects, he highlighted its strong grassroots presence and deep connection with the people of Meghalaya. Discussing Congress's role in the District Council, Pala clarified that the party's involvement was aimed at safeguarding amendments to the 6th schedule and preventing adverse influences on Meghalaya's interests.
I should appreciate the hard work of our Congress workers at the grassroots level, at the block level. So many of our friends also said if the Congress can give us a good candidates, we'll go back to the Congress. So we are trying to see that whomever we put as a candidate, as far as practicable, the candidate has a clean image. It's not like people say in the council, any Vitam Tikahantri can be a candidate. And I'm very confident this time we will do well. I think we'll be, from all the party, the Congress will be the best this time.
Badarite Lingdor Nonglait, niece of late Hoping Stone Lingdor, founder of the Hill State People's Democratic Party, HSP-DP, has declared her intention to run for the upcoming MDC election from Nongstoin constituency. Hoping Stone Lingdor was a prominent political figure who served for over 4 decades as an MLA, a term as a Lok Sabha MP, and was elected as an MDC 7 times. Badariti vows to continue her uncle's legacy and dedication to the well-being of Nongstoin residents.
Hoy ngani kuni ngani election MDC naka Nongstoin constituency batru naka party HSPDP lani ke bangitip kum ka party sing ladangi lecho pajba ban penken mau ya ka menor akaba ki pajba jong Nongstoin constituency ki dei ki bala Krishan radba ya kani ka party omba ki ya ka party omba ki yo ma Hoping Stone Lingdor Henry ki dei ki bas ngau thu biang ya kita ki nongrim ki ba u lead ma Hoping Stone Lingdor ula product na markata da ka bangilit da kata ka sur syo padba ba da kata ka lenti le se kan dai ka lenti bangin penwan biang ya upadba bu Krishan ya ki nongrim bahok ba ik jingele jo ma
The Darbar Shnang Umpernai has decided to boycott the 2025 MDC elections. This decision is based on 2 main reasons. First, to protest against the order issued by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to recognize a new village called Mausau located at the Mu area of Umpirnai village. The second reason is in protest against the implementation of the council's building bylaws, which require residents to obtain building permits and make payments, placing a financial burden on the inhabitants.
Ngilas ngokhia kabay bagaching yo ya ka order na po ka district council kabay bagaching panchnong chung kita ki kur khungor pokse ban ithu no ya ka snok thamai kum kamosau ten re ni ya ka kam khmat kabay kam te ngathrai ka kam hikan batai khamcham ban ya ka e ka bang ye kren kala don na kaling chung ka district council ka ba kila ai ka notification ban panham no ikan ka snok jungi hapoka district council building bylaws dah kami di berkataru nakalan juga district council kemasuk ong no ha benyo ya kita baru khoi ke NUC ki don kam sho benyo na po kasnong ten rei lada kalong ha kani kurkom te kam ide ju kata demokrasi te kala de ka sensyar dun bor.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today participated in a pre-budget consultation with eminent economists at Niti Aayog in New Delhi. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Niti Aayog CEO BVR Subramaniam and other senior officers participated in the meeting. The pre-budget consultations for Union Budget 2025-26 started on 6th of this month. The Union Finance Minister is likely to present the budget for 2025-26 in the Lok Sabha on coming 1st February. Union Home Minister Amit Shah today chaired a review meeting on the implementation of 3 new criminal laws with the National Crime Record Bureau, NCRB, in New Delhi. During the meeting, Mr. Shah asked the NCRB to facilitate the complete implementation of new criminal laws in the Interoperable Criminal Justice System 2.0. The minister also stressed that a team of officers of the Home Ministry and NCRB will visit states and union territories to increase the adoption of technical projects and assist them in all possible ways. The central government has constituted the Unlawful Activities Prevention Tribunal to adjudicate whether there is sufficient cause to declare the United Liberation Front of Ahom, ULFA, as an unlawful association. The tribunal will also look into its factions, wings and front organizations. The tribunal will be headed by Justice Michael Zothan Kumar of the Guwahati High Court. Earlier, Union Home Ministry had extended the ban of ULFA for 5 years. The festive season of Christmas and New Year is finally here, and Shillong is decked up with decorative lights, filled streets and the spirit of the festival. Here is a report on how Shillong is gearing up for the Christmas celebration.
Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, for long has been celebrating Christmas in a befitting manner as people, irrespective of caste and creed, come together to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. Marking the onset of the festival, the entire city is now illuminating as different places like Lat Umkra and Khindailat have been decorated on the occasion. In Khindailat, thousands of people are gathering every evening since the past 1 week, and while some are there for shopping, many are seen on the streets enjoying the festive spirit of Christmas. The Joyous Festival is also an occasion for tourists from across the country to come and experience this carnival here in Shillong. Most of the tourists expressed the happiness over the jubilation of the festival and said that they are enjoying every bit of their stay here in Shillong.
I think the festive season here in Shillong is really beautiful. You can see behind this police bazaar, the Christmas tree is really high and the whole police bazaar is lit up. I can see a lot of tourists as well. I think Meghalaya is doing a lot more in tourism.
मजा है, एकदम माहौल है।
क्या अच्छा लगा आपको?
यहाँ की लाइटिंग अच्छी लगी, यहाँ के लोग अच्छे लगे, सब कुछ एकदम बढ़िया है। यहाँ का खाना भी अच्छा है, यहाँ के लोग बड़े दिलदार है, बड़े काइंड है।
A Apart from markets and different installation, some of the most prominent cathedral in Light Omkra and All Saints Church in IGP Point have also been illuminated and decorated on the occasion. In line with the spirit of Christmas, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, the Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh, and Health Minister Amparin Lyngdoh have also extended the best wishes to the people of the state.
May this special time of year bring you peace, happiness, and time with those who matter most. May your hearts be filled with warmth, your homes be filled with laughter, and your life be filled with joy. Wishing you and your loved ones a blessed and wonderful Christmas.
Christmas has always been associated with the birth of Christ, and this year I would especially pray that Christ is born in our hearts and in our minds, and that the eternal message of Christmas, which is peace, love, and hope, should embrace each one of you, your families, and our state and the nation.
On the special occasion of Christmas, I send each and every citizen of the state of Meghalaya a very, very special and warm Christmas.
Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
As December 25th draws near, every corner of the streets in Meghalaya is filled with a joyous and musical atmosphere as Christian believers partake in Christmas carols, rejoicing the birth of Jesus Christ. In Shillong, the Jayao Presbyterian Church today organized a carol in the locality where thousands of believers partake in this celebration. Church leaders and believers first visited Dr. H. Gordon Hospital, one of the oldest hospitals in the city, before taking to the streets of Jayao. In Nongpo, the Catholic Church hosted a vibrant mobile Christmas carol event, spreading festive cheer throughout the town. Hundreds of vehicles adorned with colorful decorations, accompanied by a large number of people, took part in the event. In Jawai, the town have been transformed into a festive wonderland as churches, streets, houses, food shops and government buildings are all adorned with beautiful Christmas lights, twinkling stars and festive inscriptions. In Nongstoin, the joyous sounds of Christmas carols filled the air as residents celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. A look at the weather report. Firstly, in Tura, the minimum temperature stands at 11 degrees Celsius with maximum temperature at 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 57%. The forecast in Tura says dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature stands at 6.2 degrees Celsius with maximum temperature at 17.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 56%, and the forecast in Shillong is dry weather is likely at most places. Meanwhile, in Jawai, minimum temperature at 4 degrees Celsius with a maximum temperature at 6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 37%, and its forecast is dry weather is likely at most places. Dear viewers, before we wind up, a quick look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi holds a pre-budget consultation with economists in New Delhi. Former MLA and TMC leader George Lyngdoh likely to return to Congress. MPCC Chief Vincent Pala emphasizes critical need for clear mandate in upcoming MDC elections. Niece of HSPDP founder late Hoping Stone Lyngdoh to contest ADC polls from Nongstoin. Shillong wears a decorative look as city all set to celebrate Christmas. Chief Minister, Cabinet Ministers extend warm wishes to the people. With that, we come to the end of this news bulletin, wishing all our viewers a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.